Chris the Hobby Guy, and I'm at Keansburg. I'm at the amusement park in New Jersey. Did you ever wonder what's inside one of these fast track cars? Well, my friend said that he'll show me the inside because he's working on one. So let's go take a look at what the inside of these cars look like. I hope you enjoy this video, and please subscribe to me. I'm Chris the Hobby Guy. Have a great day. Well, what kind of an engine is in one of these cars?
I could not tell you. I don't do the engine brake.
Oh, okay.
I'm going to assume not too big of a cylinder, maybe like a 4-cylinder. So like, I don't do the engine brake, so I don't know. These also only go for like 20 miles an hour. So it can't be too big of a cylinder.
How fast do they go?
About 20 miles an hour.
20 miles an hour. That's amazing. I always wondered what was inside these cars, and that's really something. It looks like a lawnmower engine, you think?
Yeah, that's pretty much close to what it is.
That is awesome. Thank you so much. And that's what's inside these cars, these fast track cars, and the speedways. They're gasoline powered engines, and they're just amazing. I always have a lot of fun on riding these. Are they hard to work on?
Work on? No, they're actually very easy considering they're not like bigger. So the parts are smaller, which makes it easier to work. Instead of using like one of those, I guess those lifts, just use a car.
Oh, that makes it so much easier than a large car. That's so great. Well, thank you for giving me your time. And have a great day.
You too.
I love taking my family on fast track cars, having so much fun. I feel like you're driving a race car. It's awesome. My kids love it. Hope you enjoyed this video. Think about taking your family to fast track cars at the Keansburg Amusement Park here in New Jersey. Please subscribe to me. I'm Chris the Hobby Guy. Have a great day.